अमरीकी सदर ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि ईरान अमरीका के साथ डील करने के लिए बेताब है। इस्लामाबाद में बहुत सी बातों पर समझौता हो चुका था, यूरेनियम के मामले पर इत्तफाक नहीं हुआ। इल्ज़ाम लगाया कि ईरान इस वक्त ब्लैकमेलिंग कर रहा है, भत्ता वसूली कर रहा है, इसको ऐसा नहीं करने दिया जाएगा। बावर कराया कि अमरीका के चीन से बहुत अच्छे ताल्लुकात हैं, बीजिंग भी सारी दुनिया की तरह इस बहरान का खात्मा चाहती है।
He's done a good job, and Steve and Jared, they've all done a very good job. And I can tell you that we've been called by the other side. They'd like to make a deal very badly, very badly. Iran will not have a nuclear weapon, and we're going to get the dust back. We'll get it back either. We'll get it back from them or we'll take it. We can't let a country blackmail or extort the world, because that's what they're doing. They're really blackmailing the world. We're not going to let that happen. But we have a very good relationship with China. He would like to see this ended also. He certainly wants it ended. Everyone, I want to see it ended too. But